Okay, so today I am here to talk about this hair that I am wearing. So yeah, stay tuned until the end of the video. That's when I talk about everything, my thoughts and all that other jazz. The first portion of this video is just me showing you how I curl the hair, how I get it, everything to blend in seamlessly and everything like that. So yeah, if you'd like to know more about this hair, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, okay, so today I'm here to talk about this hair from Annabelle. So the details and the specs of this hair is I have in their Brazilian loose wave in 22, 24, no, I believe it's, yeah, 24, 22, 20, and a 20-inch closure. So the only thing that I have with this hair is that I do get shedding. Like, I definitely get some shedding. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, I do get shedding, but keep in mind that I did cut my wefts because I did glue the wig. I didn't sew it down like I normally do. So gluing and cutting your wefts can cause you to get some kind of shedding. But yeah, so I am getting shedding now. It's not like shedding where it's just like falling out in clumps. And honestly, it could just be from me just like washing it, air drying it, and not combing it out. But I just want to let you guys know that I did get shedding. The hair is super lightweight. I honestly thought that I was going to need more than 3 bundles, but 3 bundles was like more than enough hair. It's super full, it's super big the way I like for it to be. And honestly, like, look at this, like, it's a lot of hair. Like, even just one side is a lot of hair. And I like that. The only thing that I did have to fix was the closure, just because like a lot of closures when it comes with curly hair, it's just kind of straight and then it went into that wave. So to fix that, as you'll see later on in the video or early in the video as you saw, I just used my wand curl to curl it. And so yeah, it's not like I'm working with 2 different textures. Everything is flowing, everything is looking nice, and I really like the way this hair is. Like, I love the flowiness of it. I love how light it is. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing a lot of hair. So yeah, once again, this hair is from Annabelle. It is a low to medium luster. Like, it's not super shiny where it looks fake or plastic or anything like that. 3 bundles is definitely enough. So yeah, I have all of the links for this hair listed down below where you can check them out and all the other jazz. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave other suggestions, videos that you'd like to see down below. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.